Hello YouTube. This is an unboxing video of an Inzer Forever belt. I just got it in the mail. The UPS guy came. I got UPS second day air. Let me see. I was gonna see if I could. This is the receipt I got when I first bought it. It's the 13mm 3X double prong belt. Forever belt. Got my trusty dusty old timer. Let's see. Get a bit of a knife one. Sorry. But damn. There it is. Got paper, we gotta go fast. We got my receipt. I bought it. It was shipped on the 5th. I don't know what day I bought it. Well, alright. Inzer Advanced Designs. Forever Guarantee. Powerlifting apparel. Really, not gonna lie, it's a pretty belt. But I'm a big boy, so wow, look at that, golly. Hell of a belt. Thank you for watching my unboxing video of the new Inzer Forever belt. I'm not gonna lie, I will do a video of me deadlifting and squatting with it and keep you guys updated. It's, from the looks of it, it's one hell of a belt. Oh, and when you get your belt, it's gonna be really stiff, so roll it into a ball, a little bit smaller than that, but well, you guys have a good one.